So you're thinking about shorting the crypto market. You've probably been in here for a little while. You call yourself a hodler, and now the market's turned and you're down 70%, and you're seeing people on Twitter, on Facebook sharing trading wins, and you're going, I want to be like that. I am there right now, and I've been there in the past as a long-term investor and hodler in crypto. Seeing people short the market, winning money when you're losing makes you feel like you need to do the same. But I'm here to tell you that it is a load of bollocks. The reason they're making money is that they know what the hell they're doing. Number one. Number two, they may be just sharing wins and not sharing all their losses. And number three is that there's a reason you're an investor and a hodler, not a trader. You're probably like me, who becomes emotional in these volatile markets, and emotional trading does not make you money. 95% of people in crypto that trade crypto lose money. That is because there is so much more smarter people, smarter algorithms, smarter computers on the other side of the screen trading against you. Now, the right time to short crypto was in December when crypto was at 60,000, not when crypto or Bitcoin was at 20,000, right? Now you may be going, I'm hurting inside, I've lost so much money, I want to sell, I don't want to sell, and now I'm seeing these people trade and short crypto that you want to do the same. And I'm telling you right now, I started having those thoughts last 3 or 4 days. I'm like, screw it, I'm going to become a trader and short this market because it's all going down. But that is usually the psychology of somewhere near the bottom. I'm saying that because I felt this same way during 2018 when Bitcoin went to 3,500 after it dropped from 9,000 and had that complete capitulation. And I was seeing on Twitter, I was seeing all this sentiment about people making money shorting crypto. I'm like, maybe I can do that. Maybe I can learn how to short crypto and make money like all these other people are. But the reality of shorting crypto is it is super, super risky. You're basically taking other people's money, leveraging it up potentially, and then looking at selling crypto on the way down. Now, the issue with shorting is if it turns around and crypto goes the other way, is that you have an infinite level of loss. Because crypto, any market, theoretically, can go up to infinity. It can never go, there's not a number that stops going up. Right, so when you get the trade wrong, and I've said this firsthand when people get the trade wrong, is that it can have serious life damages. It can really take your mental load, mental capacity, everything you think about emotionally, physically, and it can turn you into someone else. The feeling that you lost and are losing 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, hundreds of thousands of dollars in crypto and the trade is going wrong is excruciatingly painful. And this market doesn't stop, right? So I'm urging you, if you are thinking about shorting crypto and you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. The fundamentals haven't changed. Yes, there has been opportunities to short the market, but I, for one, have not taken advantage of those because I am not smart enough, I am not educated enough, and I'm not the right character to be shorting and trading crypto. It's like me picking up a basketball. The ROI of me picking up a basketball is not the same as LeBron James, right? If I verse LeBron James in a 1-on-1, I would not beat him. Same as trading. I, as a trader, would not beat the number 1,000th trader in the world, right? Because I'm not a good trader. You need to think about the characteristics, right? You need to think about your time in the market. You need to think about your education. If you picked up a basketball, would you beat LeBron James if it was your first day on the court? If it's the first time you picked up a basketball, would you beat LeBron James? This market is a two-sided market. There is someone on the other screen you're trading against. This is not a computer or a casino. This is a peer-to-peer market, like any market. Would you beat the other person on the other screen? More likely than not, it's a no, especially if you haven't started. So don't try and get fancy. Don't try and start trying to short this market, right? If you are bearish, that's okay. If you're thinking about selling, that's okay. But at least you're not going to lose more than you actually have invested. Shorting, you can lose more than you're willing to invest, and also much, 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 much faster than if you are holding and hodling in the market. You're not going to lose the amount of crypto you have. You're only going to lose on the dollar amount. If you're a long-term investor, hodl, accumulate more. The market will return. The market will turn back. This is not the first time the crypto market is down more than 50%. In fact, it's happened 5 or 6 times. And every other market right now is down. Snapchat's down 70%, 80%. Airbnb's down. Shopify's down. Meta's down. Amazon's down. Everything is down. Okay, and we're near the bottom. I'm not saying this is the bottom right now, but we're near the bottom. So shorting this market, I think, is a very dangerous thing, especially if you don't know what you're doing. I hope that's been helpful. My name is Ben from Collective Shift. We help people invest, educate, and research the top crypto assets. Over at collectiveshift.io, we have a team of analysts that help over 1,500 people globally invest into crypto profitably. And we have so much great information, a lot of great free information about investing, trading, anything you need to know about crypto. You can head over to collectiveshift.io and check that out. And we have $1 for 7-day trial for our premium services where you can see our portfolio that we are investing and we are buying with all the analysis, all the research behind it. You can see all of that over at collectiveshift.io. I hope it's been helpful. My name is Ben, the founder of Collective Shift. Thank you. Bye-bye.